This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harne. Best deal this season in Somerset at the Plantation. This thoughtfully designed Dartmouth floor plan offers 2,549 square feet of comfortable living space with beautiful lake and preserve views that can be enjoyed from many of the home's main living areas. With an open concept layout and well-planned design, this home is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The spacious floor plan includes 3 bedrooms, a den, 3 full bathrooms, and a 3-car, full-size garage that provides ample room for vehicles, storage, or hobbies. A standout feature of the home is its 2 private primary suites, making it an excellent option for hosting family and guests or accommodating multi-generational living. The kitchen is the heart of the home and features a large center island with seating, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, light wood cabinetry, and a generous walk-in pantry. Light wood, wide plank hardwood flooring extends throughout the main living areas, complementing the home's bright, open design. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area and great room, creating an inviting space for gathering with family and friends. Pocket sliding glass doors open to the extended screened lanai, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. The lanai features a private pool and spa overlooking the tranquil lake and preserve, along with an outdoor kitchen hookup, making it easy to create the outdoor entertaining space you've always wanted. Whether enjoying a quiet morning coffee or hosting guests, this outdoor living area offers plenty of room to relax and take in the peaceful setting. The main primary suite is designed as a private retreat with a spacious walk-in closet, dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a large glass enclosed walk-in shower. The second primary suite includes its own full bath, offering comfort and privacy for guests or extended family. The home is being sold partly furnished, with additional furnishings available for purchase separately. You can relax knowing this home is not in a flood zone and comes with low HOA fees that cover a wide range of services, including cable, high-speed internet, lawn care, and access to an incredible selection of amenities. The community offers 2 resort-style pools, a spa, tennis and pickleball courts, bocce ball, a fitness center, and various social clubs. Within the gated community, you'll find the Plantation Golf and Country Club, home to a Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course, a clubhouse, and a restaurant. Golf and social memberships are optional. The location is ideal, with easy access to I-75, shopping, restaurants, and the airport, and just a short drive to the beautiful Florida beaches. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Don't miss your chance to live your Florida dream. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harne, A.